is PAVAN POPPALLA. I am from Hyderabad district, and coming to my educational career, I have completed my master's in computer applications from Chaitanya DB University. Once after completion of my educational career, I have joined in Qspiders Punjagutta in the month of July in 2025. And my journey with Qspiders Punjagutta has been a great learning experience. Qspiders Punjagutta provided a strong training in Java, manual testing, SQL and API testing. The mock interviews, daily practice sessions, presentations and quality teaching played a big role in improving both technical and communication skills. I am truly thankful to all the trainers, Nandini ma'am, Kaushik sir and Hemant sir for their excellent guidance, and I also sincerely thanks the HR team, especially for Akhil sir, Prashant sir. I got placed. Thank you, Qspiders Punjagutta.